In this video, we are going to test if a YelonESS battery can work with Victorn inverter. This is a Victorn inverter, and that is a YelonESS battery. To connect them is very easy. First, you just need to plug in the communication cable to the ports on the inverter and Turbo GX. Because the definition of the CAN interface on the battery is pin 4 of the communication network cable corresponding to CAN H, and pin 5 of the network cable corresponding to CAN L. The definition of the CAN interface of Victorn's Turbo GX is the communication network cable pin 7 corresponding to CAN H, and the network cable pin 8 corresponding to CAN L. Therefore, the communication network cable between the battery and Turbo GX needs to be transferred. And plug in the communication cable to the ports on the battery and Turbo GX. Second, connect the power cable to the positive and negative port on the battery. And plug in the other end to the port on the inverter. Connect the power cable of Turbo GX. And fasten the nuts. Plug in the other end to the port on the Turbo GX. Wiring completed. The lights of the battery and the inverter are on. Booting up is successful. To make sure they are working properly, we will test the charging function first. Set the inverter to draw energy from the grid and output to the battery. As the lights and app shows, the battery is charging. Next, we will set the inverter to draw energy from the battery and output to power the heater. Finally, we will leave the system running for 4 hours to test if they are stable. After testing for 4 hours, we can assure you that YelonESS battery is compatible with Victorn inverter.